Winter in Warren can be long, cold, and unpredictable. Freezing temperatures, icy winds, and fluctuating weather put constant pressure on home heating systems, and outdated windows often make the problem worse. Drafts, cold glass surfaces, and uneven room temperatures are common complaints among homeowners with aging windows. That's why window replacement is one of the most effective upgrades for improving indoor comfort during Warren's winter months. Here's how replacing old windows helps Warren homeowners stay warmer, more comfortable, and more energy efficient all winter long. Eliminating drafts that make homes feel colder. One of the biggest winter comfort issues is cold air leaking in around old windows. Over time, seals wear out, frames warp, and small gaps form, allowing icy air to creep inside. New replacement windows feature tight weather stripping or custom fitted to each opening. Use modern sealing systems to block air leaks. By eliminating drafts, rooms feel noticeably warmer and more consistent, even on the coldest Warren days. Better insulation keeps heat where it belongs. Older single-pane or inefficient windows allow heat to escape quickly. Modern replacement windows use advanced insulation technology to slow heat transfer. Key insulation features include double or triple pane glass. Argon gas fills between panes. Warm edge spacers that reduce heat loss. These upgrades help retain indoor heat, reducing the cold, window chill effect that makes rooms uncomfortable during winter. More even temperatures throughout the home. Many Warren homeowners notice that some rooms feel colder than others in winter, especially those with older windows. Replacement windows help balance indoor temperatures by reducing heat loss near exterior walls. Homeowners experience fewer cold spots near windows, more consistent temperatures between rooms, improved comfort in bedrooms and living areas. This makes the entire home feel more livable during winter. Reduced condensation improves comfort and air quality. Cold winter air meeting warm indoor air often causes condensation on older windows. Excess moisture can make homes feel damp and uncomfortable, and may even lead to mold concerns. New replacement windows keep interior glass surfaces warmer, reduce condensation buildup, improve overall indoor air quality. This creates a healthier, more comfortable indoor environment during Warren's winter season. Lower heating system strain means better comfort. When windows leak heat, furnaces have to work harder and cycle more frequently. This can lead to uneven heating and frequent temperature fluctuations. Energy-efficient replacement windows help by reducing heat loss, allowing HVAC systems to maintain steady temperatures, preventing rapid temperature drops. As a result, homes feel more consistently warm without constant thermostat adjustments. Quieter interiors during windy winter days. Winter winds can amplify outdoor noise, especially when windows don't seal properly. Replacement windows use multi-pane glass and tight seals that also reduce sound transmission. Homeowners enjoy less wind noise, quieter indoor spaces, a calmer, more relaxing winter environment. This added comfort is especially noticeable during storms and windy nights. Improved comfort near windows and seating areas. Many people avoid sitting near windows in winter because of cold drafts or chilly surfaces. Replacement windows change that experience. With improved insulation and sealing, seating areas feel warmer, living spaces become more usable, rooms feel cozier and more inviting. This allows homeowners to fully enjoy their space, even in midwinter. Professional installation makes all the difference to fully experience winter comfort benefits. Proper installation is essential. Professional window installation ensures accurate fitting, complete insulation around the frame, secure sealing against cold air infiltration. This guarantees that replacement windows perform as designed. A warmer, more comfortable winter in Warren. Window replacement is one of the most impactful upgrades Warren homeowners can make for winter comfort. By eliminating drafts, improving insulation, balancing temperatures, and reducing moisture and noise, new windows transform how a home feels during cold months. If winter discomfort is a recurring issue in your home, replacing outdated windows is a smart investment that delivers warmth, comfort, and peace of mind all season long.